Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today we're going to discuss signs of termite damage. HOAs are faced with various insect infestations. None cause more damage than termites. Termites are tough and resistant insects with a ferocious appetite for wood. Unfortunately, this can lead to severe home and property damage as the hungry insects feast their way through structural materials. This diagram shows the difference between an ant and a termite. A thorough inspection can give clues as to whether termites exist in a structure. Looking for signs of termite damage can allow action to be taken quickly to eliminate insects before severe damage is done. Termites generally hollow out wood from the inside, leaving wood that appears solid but is actually hollow under the surface. One of the most obvious signs of termite damage is hollowed out wood. Notice the discolored wood, notice the tunnels. To test, tap exposed wood with a hammer and listen for a hollow sound. Wood that has been attacked by termites may even break when tapped firmly, exposing the hollowed out interior layers. Sometimes, termites damage can be observed through change of color or appearance. Termite-infested wood may look darker and take on the appearance of a stain. This wood can also appear puffed up or even blister, another telltale sign of termite damage.